就是今年4月从香港出逃，公开接受美国媒体采访的病毒学专家严立梦。继7月10号福克斯新闻公布了他的采访之后，7月13号他再一次接受福克斯新闻的电视直播采访。在他的采访中，受到人们最多关注的就是他指出中共政府和世界卫生组织联手掩盖病毒人传人的真相，许多知情的医生、高级专家遭遇政治压力而自动封口，最终造成了这场全人类的浩劫。可是严立梦对这个病毒本身的警告才更值得注意，也是他此刻出逃中共魔爪向外界爆料的另一个重大意义所在。我们首先来看一下他在7月10号对这个病毒本身危险性的警告。
Social distance. 2 meters is better. 70% alcohol is very useful. Clean your hand. And also wear the mask if you get close to people. Surgical mask. This is about global health. No political issues. This is all of us are involved. No matter this party, this country, that country. The only thing is, when people understand the truth, they know how to protect themselves. You have to imagine how many cases not reported from China. Already, if there is 6 million people in the world, 1 in 600 get confirmed. But this will increase in a very quick speed. Imagine one day you see 1 in 100 people already get infected in the world, and later 1 in 50, 1 in 10. That means none of us can escape from this. Don't expect the herd immunity, especially at this time, because you don't know this virus. You cannot judge the character of this virus according to our previous experience.
福克斯公开的严立梦的专访只有10几分钟，但是有一个更长的版本，长度达4个小时。有消息说，美国总统川普看了这4个小时的完整专访，随后不知道是巧合还是相关，从不在公开场合戴口罩的川普，7月11号访问华府地区的一家军医院时，戴上了一只黑色口罩。这是公众第一次在镜头中看到川普戴口罩。7月13号，严立梦又接受了福克斯新闻的专访。
How would things be different around the world and here in the U.S. then?
Okay, let me explain to you. First, this is a huge pandemic we have seen in the world. It's more than everything we know in human history. So for that, the timing is very, very important. So if we can stop it earlier, we can save a lot of lives. That's the key point.
他再次重申中共瞒报和故意掩盖疫情真相的事实，随后提出自己愿意和盘托出自己所知的真相，揭露实情的同时更重要的是来阻止病毒的进一步蔓延，因为这个病毒太可怕了。
I'm willing to tell all the things I know, provide all the evidence to U.S. government. And I want them to understand, and also want U.S. people to understand how terrible this is. It's not what you have thought. It's not what you have read through the media or listened from our China government, even WHO. This is something really different, and we have to trace the true evidence and get the real answer, because this is a key point to solve this pandemic.
以上我们截取了3段7月10号和7月13号严立梦的访问录像，其中有几个有关重点我们梳理一下。第一，这是迄今为止人类遇到的最厉害的病毒。第二，人们此前对这个病毒的判断都不足为凭，人们仍然不了解它。第三，不要指望群体免疫，也不要指望目前阶段会有疫苗。第四，这个病毒与之前所有中共政府、世界卫生组织和一些媒体说的都不一样，它非常特殊，非常恐怖。第五，这个病毒传播速度非常快，现在是大约世界上每600人就有1人感染，直到有一天可能每10个人就有1个人感染，几乎谁都逃不掉。第六，我们真的没有太多时间了。7月14号，美国第一夫人梅拉尼亚也在推特发文说，就算在夏天也请记得戴上口罩，并注意保持社交距离。此刻越多的预防，就会在秋天得到一个更加健康和安全的国家。大家请注意梅拉尼亚的推文，她特别强调了季节，说明秋季开始很容易出现疫情进一步大爆发的情况。已经有不止一位专家预警，今年入秋之后，中共病毒疫情有可能会越发严重。现在已经7月中旬了，严立梦在访谈中也特别提到，我们没有太多时间。